Kasang tarik ubanay jaleo, kadai kasngi penek mariang, bat kadai kasngi kabahasa telak kepertai kinyau kerpang ya kani kasngi ban yalam, na kabenta ban ri, ban sumar, bat ban penek pensa ya ka meram au. Hakani kasngi rengkat bat kari India barok kawai ya ke cingrakhe la sakiru, hakani ke jala Meghalaya.
Kawai ni kejing rakhe ke World Environment Day ni kesni penek mariang haganong ba Shillong ya ke balayok ban saki ke bala penlong da ketenat forest bat environment jang sorkar jela ya ke bala penlong hanan pelok Shillong. Namar ba jela Meghalaya ru kedan hapdeng kejing kun ban khanglat na kejing sapriang u kenyang jekpang COVID-19. Ha ke bala hap ban perking ya kejing yalang bat kejing lumbun breu sijaka. Kumta kejing rakhe kalong ke baret bat ke batang hai pori belengkot. Agani kejing rakhe kena kenong ba Shillong lawan bani sim bentalang ru do menteri rang ba kejela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum Kongsan baledon rengkadu chief secretary kejela UMS Rao bat kiwede ke officer jo ketenat forest bat environment. Namar bagamat pedeng mentang kesnem kadai time for nature. Kumta kena kejing rakhe kena kesnem lapan long tang da kejing itung dieng aga saudong saukun jo kenan pelok. Ya ka lalam kemat da u menteri rang ba kejela.
Urge and ask all the citizens of our state to once again pledge their commitment to our environment. And I think we have planted a few trees today. But of course, that is one way of doing things. But another way of doing things is to really look at our own lifestyles. And it's important that in our actions and in what we do in our day-to-day lives, that will really define on how we pledge ourselves to the environment. Which is by reducing the emission of carbon. So I think I take this opportunity to urge all our citizens that in their day-to-day activity, find out what you can do in order to contribute towards saving our environment.